we are new video future of automobile engineers powered you by knowledge free. So here we go. What is automobile engineering and how it is divided its branches? We will see electronics and telecommunication, environmental, showroom, workshop managers, service managers in militaries, in repairing and service, in IT sectors, in automobiles, in production, in manufacturing, also in bank. You can go with car insurance, car mortgage values, car policies, etc. etc. So automobile engineering has a lot of scope in India. Now let's see the history. History goes around like in 1769, the cars were powered by water, also known as the coconut powered engine plants. Also, in 1885, the new cars were invented in which gasoline or petrol was used, and these cars are running nowadays. So, why India? Why we have chosen India? Because you can see the last trend from 2010 to 2013, the growth of India is dimensional, its hierarchy is growing a vast, but it's still behind China. So we have to develop some branches so that India can turn up on number one branch. So automobile sector is the most biggest sector in India. Now we can see the Indian history, that is Indian automobile industry. We are the ninth largest automobile industry with the second largest in two wheelers, 11th in the passengers, fourth in heavy trucks, second in tractors, and over annual production of 2.3 million units. That is huge. And a monthly sale of passenger car, that is the tourist cars, around 1 lakh units. That is very huge in India. Now, which are the key players? The key players in commercial, in passengers, in two wheelers and three wheelers. In commercial, we can see Force, Eicher, Mahindra and Mahindra. In passengers, we can go with Toyota, Daimler, Chrysler, Hindustan Motors, Maruti. In two wheelers, you can go with Hero Honda, Bajaj, TVS, Yamaha, and three wheelers, you can go with Bajaj or Piaggio. That are the rickshaws. Now, one more question for you guys. Who is famous? Sachin Tendulkar or Sir Don Bradman? And one more question for you. Who is famous? Charles Babbage or Bill Gates? The answer to this is no one is famous. One discovers and another rediscovers. So, Sir Don Brand discovered the cricket, the cricketing shots, and Sachin rediscovered them with his talent. So, in this field, you also have to not discover anything, but you just have to rediscover the things which are already been discovered by you. Now, the car technology is the water powered cars, which are the water cars called as the water powered cars. The equation for it goes H2 plus O2 gives H2O, the hydrogen fuel cell cars which will be launching in 5 to 10 years from today. Also the hybrid cars which are launched by the Hyundai, Toyota and Honda are launched, and these are having dry batteries as a hybrid cars. Also wind power cars will be launched in 4 or 5 years recently, having wind as a power to run the engine. So what's the conclusion, guys? So here we see the conclusion is God helps those who help themselves. But it's totally wrong, it's totally absurd. I think that God helps those who helps others. So basically you have to pass on your knowledge with the other generation so that they can grow and exceed in their life. So thank you, and please subscribe our channel.